There may have been times in the past that you accidentally manufactured from the wrong revision or wanted to try out some design ideas but had to save everything as separate files. This can really complicate the design process. PDM eliminates these problems, and it gives us the ability to work smarter and have more choice through version and revision control. One of the biggest advantages of PDM is creating versions of a part. It does not create multiple files. Instead, it saves instances of that part that can be accessed at any time. This means if you have a couple design ideas and don't know which one is best, you can model both under the same part file with different versions. That way, if you ever need to use one or the other, it's a simple click and you have the version you're looking for. This process can be great for visual checks for your assemblies as well. Using the built-in PDM tool in SOLIDWORKS, we can quickly see which version of parts we're working with in our assembly and if there are any outdated parts that need updating. Adding part revisions is also a breeze in SOLIDWORKS PDM. Once we've made the required changes to our part, we can simply submit it for approval, and once approved, PDM will automatically place the correct revision stamp on the drawing and even auto-create PDFs and send them anywhere you'd like. Maybe a drawing folder for the manufacturing floor, for example. This is just a taste of the flexibility and robust features of PDM. Make sure you get in touch with Javelin to learn more about how we can take your company's data security to the next level.